Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the second part of Module 1st, Developing Vocabulary. In it, we are going to learn about synonyms, antonyms, and the confusing words. This is only the checking of your previous knowledge and development of your vocabulary. As all of you know, what is synonyms, antonyms, confusing words, problem words, word formation process, which we had already seen in the last part of module first. So in part second, there is a word formation process. What is the meaning of word formation process? That is the main technique to develop vocabulary. It enriches one's vocabulary. Various processes are used for the word formation. One of them is discussed here. That is affixation, prefixation, suffixation. First part, that main technique to develop vocabulary. Affixation. It is the attachment to the root or base of the word. We can form new words by using this process. There are two types of affixation. Affixation means connecting the particular particles to the word, to the root word. And when you learn about affixation, you come to know the new words and you learn the new words. First part, prefixation. What is the meaning of prefixation? This is the root word, and before root word the prefix is attached and the new word is coined. See, here is a chart of prefix, root word, and how new word is created. Prefixation, that is affix is attached before the root or base of the word and the new word is formed. The examples of this prefix: see, semi, semi-final, recollect, unhappy, autobiography, deforest, multinational, multilingual. So here is when the root word is changed in the new word. At that time, before the root word, there is affix is attached and it is called prefixation, and new word is formed. Next part, suffixation. Suffixation, where affix is attached after the root or base of the word and no new word is formed. When you learn it, you come to know prefix means before the word and suffix means after the word. So here are the examples. Again, there is a suffix, root word, and new word. The suffix is al, arrival, less, merciless, ness, happiness, book, bookish, full, faithful, employee, and ship, friendship, relationship. You can coin n number of new words by prefixation and suffixation, and you can develop your vocabulary. After learning this particular module, you can write down the words which you know as suffixation and prefixation. This might be the wonderful practice for you. Next part is, after the suffixation and prefixation, is synonyms and antonyms. All of you know what is the meaning of synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, words of the same grammatical class having similar meaning. No other word means exactly as any other word. there are different shades of meaning. That's why there are synonyms to each word, and as per the contextual meaning, it is used in various sentences in different ways. So, example, here is an example. Word, the word is having same meaning, but when we learn about it, we have to know how it is used in different manner. The word example: kill, murder, slay, execute, and slaughter. Kill. What is the meaning of kill? Killing of someone. Murder. Murdered by some people or man. Slay, execute, and slaughter. All of you know the slaughterhouse of the animals. Antonyms. What is the meaning of antonym? Antonym: words of the same grammatical class but having opposite meaning. Examples: entry, exit, gain, loss, urban, rural, tall, short, kind, cruel, rise, fall, ascend, descend, accept, reject. These are the examples for your learning, and you can develop your vocabulary through synonyms and antonyms also. This is the very simple way is written in your textbook, and this is the only basic part of your developing vocabulary. Next part: confusing words. What is the meaning of confusing words? That is, look alike and sound alike words create problems. That's why for the development of vocabulary it is necessary to learn those words. If you know the meaning of the word, but at the same time you confused with that word, is it the same pronunciation and the different meaning? See, here are the examples. First, story, story. First is story, which we tell to each other, and story, it is stories in building. Allowed, allowed. Next, already, already. Suit, suit. See, here is a pronunciation is the same, but spelling is different and meaning is different. That's why the words confused to us when we pronounce it. That's why we have to see the spelling of it or see the contextual meaning of it. That's why words create the problem due to the pronunciation and sound alike and look alike. So here we end the first part of this semester first, module first, that is developing vocabulary. Here are only 4 to 5 examples had given for your understanding and for your developing of the vocabulary. At the same time, you are going to use or you can use a number of means or a number of types, a number of techniques for developing your vocabulary. And when you are going to learn the words and develop your vocabulary, you can use newspaper articles, you can use the TV screen, you can listen the news channels, and you can write down those words, which words you never understand, and you can develop your vocabulary. So here we end this particular unit or the module. Thank you. In next part, we will learn about the another communication skill unit or module number 2, description.